Alright, we're going to start with listing all the congruent parts of the triangle. So let's start with angles. So angle A is congruent to angle D. Angle B is congruent to angle E. And angle C is congruent to angle F. For sides, AC is congruent to DF. AB Okay, does this diagram give enough information to use the side congruence postulate? So I see side, a side, a side, side, a side, a side. So this is a yes. Number 2. So this one, when we see that these are connected, we can automatically mark those as congruent. So these are also side, side, side. We have a side, 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 side. Alright, so the included angle is the angle between the two sides, or the angle, so it is formed when the two sides meet. So let's say we have this marked. So if I trace over these sides, it forms that angle A. Non-included angle, it's an angle not between the two sides. So it would look something like this. When I trace over my two sides, it does not form that angle. It actually forms angle C. Alright, so name the angle included between the two sides. So if I trace over WY and WX, those two sides form angle W. Okay. If I trace over XY and YW, those form angle Y. And XZ and ZY form angle Z. And WX and XZ form angle X. Okay, right away we need to mark that this is congruent. And this is side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So this is a yes. Number 2, that would be if let me go back. Since we see that these are shared, we can mark those congruent to itself. The top is side, angle, side. Now down here, it is not, because if I trace over these two sides, they do not form this angle. So this is a no. So it's going to ask if there's enough information. So this one is side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So we're going to write yes, side, angle, side. Now we have to double check too that when we trace over our sides, they form that angle. When we trace over those sides, they form that angle. This one, if we mark this as congruent, it would be side, side, side. This one over here, side, angle, side. This one is angle, side, side. So those two sides do not form that angle there. So this is a not enough info. So right away, since these angles are, these sides are touching, we're going to mark it as congruent. So this top one, side, angle, side. This bottom one, though, is angle, side, side. So these two sides, if I trace over it, do not form angle A. So this is A, not enough info. Okay, what additional congruence is needed to show that the triangles are congruent? So to make this side angle side, well, we already have this side and this side. So we need angle L to be between them. It needs to be marked congruent to angle H. Side, side, side. We need another side marked congruent because we have two. So RT needs to be congruent to XZ. And this one, to make it side angle side, we have a side and angle. So we need this side, side and angle. We need this side. So WU is to be congruent to ZX. And we'll skip that one. What did we learn about today? How to prove congruent triangles. Using side, side, side.